Panguva inoi aiwa pari kupisa, aiwa kumusoro uko hakuna kumira zvakanaka. Vanhu vanombofamba vachitaura vachiti apa mihwe unotyohwa vainyasoziva vachinyasoziva ma consequences azvo. Ndisanamira mashoko kuti aiwa Chiwenga taking it on ED. Don't forget subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timira pana pa BBC mudanyira chiti the statement by war veterans is very clear. They are no longer talking about to defend the constitution from 2030 pushers, but they have found the entry point to start the process of total removal of Emerson Mnangagwa from power by allowing criminals around him to push the 2030 agenda. ED has shot himself on the foot. Those who understand how to remove authoritarian regime from power can tell that ED is gone. On their statement, war veterans warned the new police commissioner Mtamba to stop using the police to fight people who are exercising their constitutional rights. This was in response to the police threat to Nelson Chamisa's supporters who were protesting against 2030. Some were arrested and then released after the interference of big boys. Judiciary also warned to stop what they did to people like Sikala, Namatai, Garifume, Chibaya and others. All these warnings are not coming from war veterans, but from powerful people. War veterans also complained about the shutting down of big companies like OK, Bullets and others that have been operating in Zimbabwe since 1960s. Those who understand how to remove authoritarian regime know that these companies will finance the removal of Mnangagwa who wants them to use the SIG. Yet he wants people of Zimbabwe to pay US dollars when buying fuel at his fuel station. Some few days ago, BBC Zimbabwe reported about ZANU-PF deputy chair of Milles province, Matutu, who was forced to deactivate his account after he wrote what he dreamed about. If you connect the dots, you can see that the fight has begun. Thomas Komdanyo pana wakumana BBC aiwa vanyasa kuona kuti aiwa kuna vanhu vanyasa kuziva zvekuremuva kwethe authoritarian regime panapa pakuru pabaya. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi nemashoko anodanyogwa pana wakumana BBC. Pena comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.